Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and I'm back again with chapter polynomial, and the topic for today is division algorithm for polynomials. Now what is a division algorithm? The word seems new to us, algorithm, but related to it we have already done earlier in the previous classes. Now let us start with what is division algorithm. Now see, suppose we have px and gx are two polynomials where gx is not equals to 0. Then we can find qx and rx such that px is equals to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is lesser than degree of gx. This is the definition for division algorithm for polynomials, right? Now, before learning the definition, let us understand what it is. What is px, what is gx and all, right? So, px and gx are two polynomials. That means we are having two polynomials, px and gx. From gx, we are dividing the px. Let us take a simple example and recall what we have done in earlier classes, the division algorithm. What is that? That dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. I hope you all remember this. Yes, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just take an example. Suppose I have 5 and I have to divide 26 by 8. Then 5 5s are 25. What I am left with? 1. And everybody knows that this 5 is a divisor, this 5 is a quotient, this is a remainder, and this is the dividend, right? And we can satisfy the division algorithm as dividend. Dividend what we are having? 26. This is equal to divisor into quotient. What is the divisor? 5. What is the quotient? 5. And then plus remainder. That means 26 is equals to 26. This is the verification of division, right? Now just see with this, all these only, this is arithmetic thing. Now we see this with polynomials. Now let us consider px is our dividend. This px is the dividend. Gx is our divisor. Qx is the quotient and rx is the remainder. Same. In place of dividend, we have written px. In place of divisor, it is gx. In place of quotient, it is qx. And in place of remainder, it is rx. So, in simple way, we can write it this way. But division algorithm for polynomials, when it is, then we write it px is equals to gx into qx plus remainder. And here we see that this remainder is either 0 or it is less than the divisor. So, same way here we will write that rx either it is 0 or degree of rx is lesser than degree of gx. Clear? Now let us understand it with some examples. Now let us take an simple example. Suppose we have x plus 2 and it is to be divided by that means here px is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and gx is x plus 2. Now this long division everybody knows how to do. Just see once again. This is x, this is 2x square. Now with what we will multiply this x so that we can get 2x square. This to be multiplied with 2x. Then we get 2x square. Now whatever is the quotient will be multiplied by the second term of the divisor. So 2x into 2 will be 4x. Then we change the sign, this cancels, minus x plus 1. Okay? Then x plus 2 and here we have minus x plus 1. X to be multiplied with what? To get minus x, it is to be multiplied with minus 1. Then it becomes minus x. Now minus x into plus 2 will be minus 2. We change the signs here, this cancels and this becomes 3. That means this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Now let us apply division algorithm and let us see whether it is applicable or not. Let's see. We have Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Px is this. That means we are having 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the Px. Now, Gx into Qx. This is Gx and this is Qx. Let us multiply x plus 2, then 2x minus 1 and then plus remainder. Remainder is 3. Right? Then this is the Px. We have to solve this and it should come equal to this Px. Now let us solve. X into 2x, it will be 2x square. X into minus 1 is x. 2 into 2x is 4x and this becomes minus 2 and plus 3. This becomes 2x square plus 3x and plus 1. Now just see, the Px was also same. So Px is equals to Gx into Qx plus remainder. Hence, verified. Clear? Now after this, we start with our exercise 2.3, which is based on this division algorithm only. We start with exercise 2.3. Question number 1. And exercise 2.3, question number 1. Let us take third part. Here we have Px is equals to x4 minus 5x plus 6 and Gx is given by 2 minus x square. Now, what the question is, divide the polynomial Px by the polynomial Gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following cases. Means we just have to divide it, we don't have to apply the division algorithm. So for simple division, first we have to put them in descending order. Now here we see the highest degree is 4, then comes 1 and then constant. But here if we see, it is 2 and then x square. So we can write it this way, minus x square plus 2. Right? Now we simply divide minus x square plus 2. We are dividing x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 by our Gx. Now, this is minus x square, this is x4. What should we multiply with this so that we can get x4? It is to be multiplied by minus x square. So this becomes x4. Now minus x square into plus 2. This becomes minus 2x square. We change the sign. This cancels. Here we get 2x square minus 5x and plus 6. Minus x. What should be multiplied here? Minus 2. So we get 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4. What do we get? We change the signs here. This cancels. We get minus 5x plus 10. Now we see the degree of x square. This is the degree of Gx, it is 2, and the degree of Rx is 1. Therefore we leave it here like this. That means this becomes the quotient and this becomes the remainder. Clear? Now please try all the parts of this question. Till then, bye-bye.